Hello, this is Chad with Tools and More Tools. Today we're featuring the Knipex 8741 250 Raptor multiple slip joint spanner pliers. These are one cool set of pliers. I guess you can tell where they get their name at. So once these get locked on, they're not going to let go until your job gets done. And you can see that it hits on 3 points. That's in there tight, but these can still turn it. Supposedly it can be done with a one-handed operation, but I definitely am not good enough to be able to do this with one hand. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try. It's definitely two hands for me. The adjustments are made by pushing on the button. And there's 15 different adjustments that can be done. So the jaws measure from 3/8 to 1 1/4, which is 10 to 32 millimeters. They work on both imperial and metric nuts and bolts. They have a tight gripping of rounded and rusty bolts. It has a guard so that you don't pinch your fingers. And this wrench replaces a whole set of wrenches. So it's a great investment to get this. It's made in Germany. This is a pretty cool wrench. I certainly recommend picking one up. Let's see about how long this guy is. It's about 10 inches long. These pliers are definitely strong. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.